Every banknote starts with this unique cotton linen blend.
Only the highest grade fibers enter the money factory.
The pulp will become the base of every dollar bill. Invisible security features are built right into the paper.
Hidden watermarks appear only when held to light.
This special paper is unlike anything you've ever touched. Every millimeter is checked for perfection. Blank sheets ready for the first layer of ink. These inks are strictly controlled and highly secret. The journey from blank paper to real money begins here. Beautiful backgrounds form the foundation of every bill.
3 days of controlled drying ensure perfect ink adhesion.
This is where the raised, tactile feel of money is created. The famous raised texture makes counterfeiting nearly impossible.
Multiple layers of protection are now visible under special light.
Every day, millions of dollars in raw paper arrive here. Strict security protocols begin the moment it arrives. The paper now enters the heart of the money factory. Every kilogram is accounted for with military precision. Nothing enters without being thoroughly scanned. This is where billions in potential money wait silently.
The transformation from raw material to money is about to begin.
From massive roll to thousands of individual bills.
Even the smallest particle can ruin a banknote.
Only perfect paper is allowed to become real money.
Welcome to where money is actually manufactured. This is the moment raw paper becomes currency. The real journey of money production has officially begun. One sheet can become hundreds of banknotes. Phase 2 is complete riscon. The real magic is coming.
This is the most protected factory on the planet.
Nothing enters or leaves without triple verification.
Every vehicle is scanned before entering the money factory.
Only authorized personnel and materials are allowed.
"24-hour armed surveillance never stops."
This building prints more money than most countries.
Welcome to where real money is born.
Even employees are scanned multiple times daily.
Every step inside is monitored and recorded.
This is the heart of the entire operation.
Millions of dollars are printed here every single hour.
The transformation begins right now. The money factory is now fully alive. These sheets will soon become real banknotes. The most impressive part of the process is just ahead.
Every printed sheet must be perfectly clean before the next stage.
Even invisible dust can ruin a future banknote.
This step ensures absolute purity before further printing.
Special purified water is used, Florio. Nothing else is allowed.
Perfect drying in seconds prevents any ink smudging. Any imperfection is rejected instantly.
Each stack contains exactly 1,000 sheets. Every batch is now traceable for the entire process. The sheets are now ready for the most advanced printing. This is where money gets its famous raised texture.
Only the best sheets receive the raised ink treatment.
The transformation is about to become three-dimensional. This is the moment money truly starts to feel real. The most high-tech part of the entire process is next. Every banknote now receives its unique identity. No two banknotes in the world share the same number. These features only appear under ultraviolet light.
The hologram changes color as you tilt the bill.
You need a magnifying glass to read this protection. Even the ink itself must pass magnetic tests. The ink changes color depending on the viewing angle.
All security features are now locked into every bill.
Over 20 security checks have now been completed. Each stack must contain exactly 1,000 sheets. One mistake here would destroy thousands of bills. These strips will soon become individual banknotes.
Every edge must be perfectly straight and clean.
The sheets have now become thousands of individual bills. The most advanced automation in the money factory is about to begin.
Extreme heat now locks every security feature permanently.
This heat makes the ink chemically bonded forever. The famous crisp raised texture is now permanently formed.
Perfect temperature control prevents any warping.
Each note is now completely separated and ready.
This gives every bill that fresh from the press feel. Precision alignment ensures perfect stacking later. Only notes that pass every test continue forward.
The raw paper has now become real money.
The most impressive automation is about to take over.
Every single note has now passed the main transformation. Perfect groups of 100 are now formed automatically.
These bundles will soon become million-dollar bricks. The transformation is complete, ain't it? Now the robots take full control. No human hands will touch these notes again. Robots now control every single movement with perfect accuracy. Every bundle is counted twice by machines only. These bands are tamper-proof and GPS tracked.
Each bundle is now completely protected from the outside world.
One brick can contain up to $1 million.
Weight must match the exact calculated value, or it is rejected.
Once sealed, only authorized banks can open it.
Every high-value shipment can be tracked in real time.
The machines have now completed their perfect work.
The money is now ready for its final journey. One pallet can hold tens of millions of dollars. The pallet is now completely secure for transport. Automation has finished its flawless work.
The robots are done. Now comes the final human-verified precision.
Human eyes now double-check what machines have already perfected.
Even after automation, every brick gets a human final check.
Any microscopic imperfection is caught here. The color must shift perfectly under every angle.
Only perfect holograms make it to the final stage.
The invisible becomes visible, one last time. The count must match exactly, no exceptions. These final bands will never be opened until the bank.
Every brick now carries its complete traceable history. Each pallet now represents millions in finished currency.
The money is now completely protected for its journey.
Breaking this seal requires official authorization.
The finishing process is now 100% complete. The money has been finished. Now it faces its final scientific tests.
The final scientific tests begin right here.
These random samples represent millions of dollars.
Every microscopic detail must be flawless.
Invisible security features must glow perfectly. The ink itself must behave exactly as designed.
The color must change exactly as specified. The hologram must shift perfectly in every direction.
The paper composition must match the secret formula.
Even 0.001 millimeter deviation is rejected.
These notes must survive years in circulation.
Only the strongest notes survive this final trial.
The entire batch is now officially certified.
Only now is the money allowed to leave the lab.
Every test has been passed with 0 defects. The money has passed every test. Now it heads to the world.
Finished money is now kept at perfect temperature until dispatch. Millions of dollars are stored here in perfect conditions.
Any temperature change would be detected instantly.
Only pallets needed for immediate shipment are pulled. The money is now on its final journey inside the factory.
Armored transport is waiting right outside.
Every pallet is handled with extreme care and security.
The truck can carry hundreds of millions in one trip.
Nothing leaves without one last complete security check.
Billions of dollars are now heading to the world's banks.
This is where real money is born every single day.
This is the final result of the entire process.
The money is now ready for its journey to the world.
This is how modern factories produce real money.